Hey there, I'm going to be taste testing and reviewing this Nature's Nectar brand raspberry lemonade. Right here is what it looks like. It is 110 calories per serving, and it looks like there are 7 servings in this container. All right. I spilled a bunch by squeezing the bottom of the bottle. Oh, it's dripping everywhere on me.
Yeah,
And it is. It's on my leg. And on my shorts.
What is going on?
Oh my. Alright. Let's try to get this together. Ugh. Here we go. Cheers. It's tart. Ooh.
I bet.
Tart. It's so tart, and now actually kind of tart and bitter. It reminds me of grapefruit. Here, come try. It's like really tart, really bitter.
Not too bad. That tastes pretty good.
Enjoy. It's all yours. I think it tastes like grapefruit personally. What did you think it tastes like?
Like a raspberry lemonade. Like tastes like raspberry.
I didn't get.
And really tart.
I didn't get the raspberry flavor. I got a lemony flavor.
Maybe lemony I'm tasting then.
But it's just tart with some bitter in it. So this would not be for me. I'll look and see if I can find a link to this online in case anyone's interested. But if you are not a fan of tart or bitter, stay away.
Stay away for sure.
If you like those things, rush and get you one of these fast, because you'll love it. But yeah, this is not for me, and I would not get this again. Do you think you'll be drinking this?
Yeah, I'll drink a couple glassfuls before it's gone.
Okay, so it won't go to waste, which is nice. Let me know down below if you've had this before, what you thought of it, and if you have not had it before, do you typically like lemonade? Let me know down before. Typically, I do not like lemonade because usually it's too bitter or too tart. So, thank you so much for watching this, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.